Hello and welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to talk about combined or compound events. This video is part of a 3-video series, so if you missed the first one, make sure you go back and watch the video on mutually exclusive events. Let's get started. So the definition of combined events is as follows. If A and B are two events in a probability experiment, then the probability that either one of these events will occur is given by the following formula. This is true for all events. So the probability of A or B occurring is going to be equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of their intersection. So if we think about this formula visually, here's what's happening. The probability of A is given by A plus B, where lowercase a represents just the likelihood that event A occurs and not B. B represents the intersection, and the lowercase c represents the likelihood that only B occurs and not A. So if we add the probability of A and the probability of B, you can see that we're double counting the intersection space. That is why in this combined events formula, we have to then subtract the intersection space so that we don't count B twice. Let's look at a worked example. At an insurance company, it is known that 56% of all customers have car insurance policies, 48% have home insurance policies, and 18% have both. A customer is picked at random. Find the probability that the customer has either a home insurance or car insurance policy. So let's practice using the correct probability notation when answering this question. Here's what that would look like. So the probability of having either home or car insurance is going to be equal to the probability of having home insurance plus the probability of having a car insurance minus the intersection. So we write down our given information and we perform that calculation, which gives us 86% or 0.86. Next, what is the probability that a customer has neither a home insurance nor a car insurance policy? So here's the notation. The probability of not H and not C. This is going to be equivalent to 1 minus the probability that they have either. So what's remaining is 0.14. Here's the your turn question. On a day in February in upstate New York, there's an 18% chance of snow and 12% chance of rain. There's a 4% chance that it will both rain and snow. A day in February is picked at random. Find the probability that it will rain or snow. It will rain but not snow. Let's try this question now. All right, here are some practice problems. So please take some time to attempt these problems and you can check your answer throughout the video.